Welcome to DLR Coaching. Today we are going to master adjectives in English. Hello, I am Dave. Adjectives are words that describe things. They make our English much more interesting. An adjective is a word that describes a person, a place or a thing, like a happy teacher. Today we will look at the 4 most common types of adjectives you need to know. Number 1, descriptive adjectives. These describe size or color, like a big elephant or a small mouse. We also use them for age, like an old book or a new phone. These are very common. Number 2, quantitative adjectives. These tell us how many or how much of something we have. Examples are many people, some coffee, or 3 cats. They show quantity. Number 3, demonstrative adjectives. These help us point to specific things. We use this and that for singular, and these and those for plural objects. Number 4, possessive adjectives. These tell us who owns something. Common words are my, your, his, and her. They show ownership clearly. Now, a very important rule, adjectives usually go before the noun in English. We say a beautiful flower, not a flower beautiful. Put the description first. But with the verb to be, the adjective comes after. For example, the sky is blue. Now, let's practice. I will show you a sentence. Can you find the adjective? Sentence 1. The tall man is my brother. Which word is the adjective? Did you find it? The adjective is tall, so it describes the man. Well done. Sentence 2. I have 2 red apples. Can you find the 2 adjectives? The adjectives are 2 and red. Great job. You are doing amazing. Today we learned 4 types of adjectives and their placement. Keep practicing to improve your English. For more lessons, visit dlr-coaching.com or contact us on WhatsApp. See you next time.